The Crowley Auto Group has been in business since 1971. Many of our service departments are open 6 days a week, including evenings, so we can take care of all of your automotive needs.
This strong 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 LS comes equipped with a responsive 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, reliable automatic transmission, and has the off-road capability of 4-wheel drive. This pickup has comfortable seats and 62,232 miles. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.
Thank you for your interest in the vehicle. Please visit our website at crowleyauto.com for more information. We want to earn your business with hard work and integrity. And remember, if you have a problem, Ken Crowley wants to know about it.